Okay, let's say you want to change a setting. Let's say you went through the setup, but you found out that there were some settings you put in there you wanted to change. And doing that after the fact is sometimes in many frameworks confusing. So let me show you how you can do this in Specula. There are two ways. One way is to use the menu system inside Specula. So if you double tap, you will see all the menu options. And the one I'm going to show now is the settings as well as the update setting. So if you type settings, it will list out all the settings from the config file. If you want to update one of these, you do update settings, update setting space, and do double tap, and then you will see all the different settings you can change. So let's see, I want to change the default refresh time to something else. I just start typing, press tab, do a space, and then the value I want. So I want 25 instead of 30. Enter. If I do the settings again, press enter, I can see that it did update the default refresh time. So that's one method. The other method is changing the spec config file in the file system itself. So to do that, you need to exit out of Specula. So type exit, clear the screen. So let's change the config in the file system. So the way you want to do that is you want to use an editor, nano, vim, or similar, to edit a file called spec config. So I need to do this as sudo nano spec config. And then let's say I want to change the default refresh time back to 30. I can just change that, save it, and exit out. And that's it. So that's the two different ways to change the config.